Good morning, team. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. I just wanted to take a minute to do a quick little recording to show you all how to log any professional development or training sessions that you may do during your time at home teleworking or even in the future. So once you log into Bamboo HR, you'll see your home screen and you'll click on My Info, and then you're going to toggle to, there's all these tabs, you're going to toggle to the training tab and click on that, and then scroll down, and then there's a hyperlink here, add employee trainings and professional development. Fill this out here. Make sure that you put today's date correctly, because that's what pulls the email alert that lets your supervisor know that you've done the training. It pulls the prior date and sends them an email the next morning letting you know that you've done it. And you'll fill out this information. And then the last question is, this session has an attachment that I've uploaded to my documents. You choose yes or no. If you do have a document, that will be sent in the email to your supervisor so that they know to go and look for that additional supporting document or certificate of completion or whatever. So after you put in your information of what you've done, then you're going to go to documents and you're going to upload. It's going to look a little different for you than it does me because I'm an administrator, but you're just going to upload here, and it will go to, the only option that you'll have will be employee uploads. So this is where you'll go. And then when your supervisor goes to your page, they can click on employee uploads and your document will be here. It's that simple. 2 steps. Just fill out what you did and then go to documents and upload the document. Not everything's going to have a document, and I think that's okay. But if you do have something you want to put in with it, this is how you do it. All right, if anyone has any questions, please shoot me an email, and I hope everyone has a great day.